After you have vented and also brushed the ID of the tubes, now you're ready to install the snap-it plug. Before you go to install them, you do want to make sure that the slack is still out of the pull rod assembly in the ram and that your safety nut is still attached. When you go to install this plug, you want to make sure that the rings are within the width of the tube sheet. If they are too far past the tube sheet, they could extrude the tube or pull the pin through the ring. If they have not gone in far enough, you will not get a proper seal, and then you'll have to remove the plug and then start over again. Now that you have made sure that the pull rod assembly is ready for installation, you want to put the snap-it plug into the ID of the tube. You want to make sure that the width of the rings is within the width of the tube sheet. You also want to make sure no one is downrange or behind you before installation for safety purposes. Also, please make sure that your hand is free of the safety cable. Now you're ready for installation. Please make sure that you hold the ram as parallel as possible to the tube so you do not break off any part of the plug in the ID of the tube. When you go to press down on the foot pedal, you're going to hold it until the breakaway snaps. This is for near and installation only. After it has snapped, you're going to pull it out. You're going to decompress the foot pump, which is going to decompress the ram. When you're removing the remainder of the breakaway, it's good to use a set of pliers. If you don't have pliers on hand, you can use your hands, but make sure you have gloves because the breakaway could be very sharp. First, going to grab the remainder of the breakaway with your pliers, turn it counterclockwise. Once you feel that it is let loose from the ID of the pin, you can start backing it off with your hand. Make sure you're wearing gloves so you do not cut or hurt yourself. Now you have successfully installed a Snap-it Junior plug.